All right, step back here from the car.
I got the door.
Okay, I will clear. You got him?
Yes.
All right, you ready? Go first.
Who else is in there?
Nobody, sir.
Push your hands, show your hands.
Ain't nobody in there.
Are you okay?
No, he wouldn't let me out. He ran into my house.
Was there anybody else? Okay, calm down, honey, calm down.
Deep breath.
Larry's on his way.
He wouldn't let me out.
Calm down.
Okay, man. Yes, sir.
Hey, bring me a cruiser to put her in.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna step back here with me, okay, hon? We'll get you checked out.
You're all right, don't panic. You're okay.
You'll get him out of there.
We got him. We got him.
You'll be in the car.
We're gonna step over here and sit in the cruiser for a second, get you out of the limelight, okay? It's okay. Did he hurt you?
No. He wouldn't let me leave. I came running in, and I thought it was my boyfriend home.
So he just came running in?
Yes, and locked the door, and he's like, be quiet, be quiet. I'm like, why, what's wrong? Oh, you guys out here. And I'm like, you need to go. I don't know what you...
It was a simple trespassing call until he took a hostage.
What's that? Oh, oops.
Wait, why don't you
I'm over here to put my dog out.
dog up?
Look, hey, come on.
What are you doing with your dog?
Look, I was getting ready to chain him up.
He doesn't need to go on a chain. He needs to go back in that room.
What do you mean? You go out and use the bathroom.
I was just asked to stay here while a friend went to work because people were stealing some of their stuff.
What's going on?
Hey, lady, why don't you come out here?
What do you want?
They're investigating something? I don't
We
know.
got told that people were on abandoned property or vacant property.
What's your name?
Joe,
What's your name?
why do you need
What?
my name?
Because right now you guys are on what's a nuisance property in the city of Dayton.
But it's not a nuisance. The guy right here owns it.
There's no, it doesn't matter. You can own a nuisance property. There's no power, there's no water, and you guys are living in a shed.
Nah, he fixed it. They're right.
No, there's no power.
You can't tell us they've been remodeling?
Huh?
They've been remodeling it.
Oh, really? Is that why the roof's half coming off?
That's for them they just now put that there.
Yeah. So here's the deal. You're going to start giving us your info or you're going to go to jail and your dog's going to get locked up in the pound and you won't get it back.
What have I done, buddy? What have I done?
I told you, you're trespassing on a nuisance property.
Nobody ever told us we were trespassing though.
Oh, okay.
Nobody ever
Hey,
told us
don't
we couldn't-
get back here.
I'm going to get the owner.
Get.
Oh, I thought he was in there.
He's not in there, David. He's right here.
Hey, if you don't get back here, you're gonna go to jail for obstructing. You think I'll put it?
We got a white male in a red hoodie running with a pit bull.
Dude, I'm gonna end up shooting your dog. And
I'm not running. I'm
Okay, so just tell me your name and we'll get
No,
through
I
this.
will not tell you my name. I don't need to tell you my name.
All
I
right.
didn't do anything wrong.
Turn around, put your hands on your back.
You don't need to be rough and an asshole with me.
I'm not. I asked you for your name and you're acting like a dick
I'm not
because you got
acting like a
warrants and
dick.
you want to be
No, I
all
don't.
playing games and nonsense.
get back.
Because I didn't do anything wrong. Period. I haven't. You have no. I mean, you.
Dispatch, shots fired at our location. Sit down.
I can't. I have medical issues.
I'm good. I'm out by Valley Street. Shots were fired at the dog. We're okay. Watch out, Josh!
Do not back up. You good?
Yeah, I don't know if he made it to the road or not. He came around the corner, I came around the corner, and the dog was loose. It came at me.
Suspect's gonna be a white male, 5'5", facial tattoos, red hoodie, and gym sweats. Last seen towards Valley before he set the dog loose on my partner.
He might be around that corner. It's back over here.
That dog's up there somewhere. It came back at me off the leash, so he ran from Tarul with his dog, and then he set the dog on Tarul trying to get away. That's gonna be the dog. We need IDs on both of them. She's failure to ID.
What's that?
She was failure to ID right when Tarul started shooting at the dogs. I don't know what her issue is. So they were back in this building. There's nobody in this house. I guess they were all in the nuisance, got nuisanced out, and a neighbor called and said they'd move back here. We need to clear the house, that back shed thing.
But I never saw the guy across the street. I don't know, maybe he went in this building.
That's where dude was, and one of the females and the dog. What are you doing? I don't think that's a window, buddy. I think that's a wall with some glass hanging on it.
Here to stabilize it. I'm gonna point it so.
There you go.
Atta boy.
Over the entire thing.
That dog was right with him, so if he dropped it here, I'm gonna assume he's in this building. How's it going, man? Hey, I'm Officer Troll, Dayton Police Department. Sorry to scare you guys. Were either of these doors unlocked in the garage? We're wondering if this guy's in your garage.
No, I don't think so.
You have keys?
Yeah, there ain't no.
Alright, let's step back, sir. We'll check down. Yeah. Dayton PD, if you're in here, make yourself known. What about the other side? 140, this guy back here is now claiming he has a hostage in the garage.
A hostage in the garage.
What the f?
We got two windows.
Yeah, and one more on this side. There's a divider from the other side of the garage, like a wall. So it's just this half. Guy inside's claiming he doesn't have a key. But that guy that told us didn't have a key is the one that's saying he's in here with a hostage.
Who told you this information?
The guy in the white jacket in yes, that guy right there.
Hey, excuse me. This is Larry. He lives at that house with the little...
Oh, everybody said Larry lives back there.
No, he doesn't. But he wants... His girlfriend's in there and she has seizures and he wanted me to go in and check on her.
Okay, well you can't right now because there's a dude in there causing all kinds of drama. So just hang out here. I'll let you know when you can. We're doing our best to figure that out.
This guy's saying, well, like I said, when I came around the corner, the dog was at the corner of the garage. Like, it didn't keep running with him, which I thought was weird. We checked that side of the garage. It's got a divider. Now this guy's saying he's in this side with a hostage. What guy's saying? The dude that was just wearing white talking to Sarge.
Individuals in the garage at 18 step out now. Individuals inside the garage, I need you to step out the front door now.
Wish I had my rifle right now, but it's in the car.
Individuals inside the garage.
Here it comes. Doors moving. Hey, handles moving.
Hands! Show me your hands!
Somebody else just shut the door. There's at least two in there.
We are not.
All right, step back here behind the car.
I got the door.
Okay, I will clear. You got him?
Yes.
All right, you ready? Go first.
Who else is in there?
Nobody, sir.
Please, show me your hands.
There ain't nobody in there.
Are you okay?
No! He wouldn't let me out! He ran into my house!
Was there anybody else? Okay, calm down, honey, calm down.
Deep breath.
Larry's on his way.
He wouldn't let me out!
Okay, calm down.
Up here. Yes, sir.
Hey, bring me a cruiser to put her in.
Sit.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to step back here with me, okay, hon? We'll get you checked out.
You're all right, don't panic. You're okay.
We got him. We got him.
He's in the car.
We're gonna step over here and sit in the cruiser for a second, get you out of the limelight, okay? Okay, did he hurt you?
No. He wouldn't let me leave. He came running in, and I thought it was my boyfriend home.
So he just came running in?
Yes, and locked the door, and he's like, be quiet, be quiet. I'm like, why, what's wrong? Oh, you guys out here. And I'm like, you need to go. I don't know why.
Live in the garage?
Yes, we stay. It's like converted into an apartment.
He does not live there, correct?
No, he don't live there. I was in there laying down watching the movie.
Okay.
And I thought my boyfriend came home because I heard the door like fly open and slam, and I was about to say, babe, what's wrong? He had run in and slammed the door and locked it. And I'm like, what's wrong? And then I heard a gunshot, and I'm like, what the was that? What's going on? He's like, shut up now. I'm like, why? He's like, somebody called and said that we were all homeless down there. And then he said that I need to be quiet, not to go nowhere. And I texted my brother-in-law and everything. I'm like, I'm scared, get me out of here. And I was like, help me. And he's like,
I'm gonna have you walk with me to this other vehicle. We're gonna sit in that one, okay?
okay, which one?
This one right here.
Is he gone?
He's in another crew. He will not be anywhere near you, I promise, okay? Do you know the name of the guy that came in?
I know we call him Shorty, but I think his name might be David or something like that. I'm not 100% sure.
You're okay. In a couple, just keep resting for a few minutes, okay? Just take some deep breaths, relax, and at some point I'll come back to you and I'll give you something to do. You can just write down what happened so you don't have to explain it 100 times, okay?
Okay.
Is she good?
She might be going into shock, but she's...
Do we need a medic out here?
Oh, we asked her. She said no, but she's still shaking.
Hi, how you doing? I'm gonna get a medic to come out here and look at you just to make sure you're okay.
Who has the dog? Do they finally get the dog?
I will need a second medic to talk to a victim who is potentially going into shock.
Are we good to cut now?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
The female who wouldn't